Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make affordable, tasty microwave popcorn without buying the store brand. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some popping corn, any kind, it doesn't matter what kind. I got the Great Value. You're going to need some olive oil or any kind of cooking oil, but I prefer olive oil. You're going to need a small bowl, a tablespoon, a half cup measuring cup, plain old brown paper bag, small lunch brown paper bag, and any kind of flavor and seasonings that you would like, and also a little bit of sea salt. Okay? So I'll show you how to get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to measure out a half a cup of popcorn. Okay? It's about a half a cup. Pour it in your bowl. Take your olive oil, and all you'll need is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add that to your popcorn and coat your kernels. Okay, that looks good. Now what you're going to do is transfer your popcorn kernels to the brown paper bag, oil and all. Then fold about twice. That should do it. Now let's head over to the microwave. Lay the bag down. I like laying it down with the flat side here, just like that. Make sure that kind of stays closed. Set your microwave to 2 minutes and 30 seconds and let it pop. So we'll wait for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's starting to pop. That's a very good sign. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, nice and oily. Okay, let's go over here to our bowl. Look at that. Fresh, hot microwave popcorn. We're not going to leave it like that. We're going to add some salt. Oh wait, before we add the salt, this is one thing that I like to do so that the coating sticks. Just add a little spray to it. Toss it around. Oops, I made a mess. Add a little salt. Ooh, that was a lot. I like to add some onion powder and a little garlic powder. Now, let's see how it tastes. Really good, huh? It's crunchy. Let's see. Now you're ready for a great movie night, and you didn't even have to go out and buy popcorn. So I hope you guys take this idea. I got this idea from Kin Community. I'm going to give them props. Sorry, excuse my mouth. From Kin Community. So why don't you guys try it and let me know what you think. Bye-bye.